Hello everyone. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Wise App weekly on settings. Here in this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list you will search about the application of Wise and you will enter. Then in this page of app info you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to storage. Then you will click on clear cache. In the end you will turn off your phone and you will restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.